What's happening, Crypto Crew? This is kalelcanfly with my wife Emily.
Hello.
And we're about to get into Season 2, Episode 1 of Demon Slayer.
Yeah.
So we are coming off the back of watching the Mugen Train.
Right.
And we did that 2 days ago?
2 or 3 days ago.
Yeah. So it's going to be interesting coming into Season 2. What an emotional movie that was.
It was. It was. It really was.
And I do think the show has gotten stronger as it's gone on.
Yeah, and these demons are getting like a lot more better.
Right.
Like, yeah.
It's crazy how powerful they are.
Yes.
And I do like the fact that these heroes that you have don't automatically have all of the power.
Right.
How much, like, Tanjiro in particular has had to work for years to hone these skills.
To get where he's at.
To get to where he's at. And
Right.
it's still not powerful
and it's
enough.
still not enough for a lot of these demons. Right.
You know, so I enjoy that because
Right.
it's very different than, say, a Superman or a Batman or whatever,
Right.
you know, like superhero type thing.
Exactly.
Where they have the power and
yeah.
It's like, I don't know, it feels more grounded in that way.
Right.
Where they have to do that kind of thing. So
yeah, I agree.
I like it. I like that a lot. So yeah, we're gonna get into Season 2. Hopefully, I've heard this one's better than the first season.
Yeah, that's what I was told too.
So
I'm hoping so.
let's hope.
There's much whining.
Yeah, and hopefully we get Muzan Jackson and he gets. Yeah, because he's a bad fella.
Yeah, I agree.
I don't know if I mean I say fella because it'd be presented as a female as well at some point.
I think he's a male.
You think he's male?
Yeah.
Well, maybe he's just some kind of demon that can be whatever he wants to be.
Right.
So
yeah.
Who knows? I mean, we saw somebody infect a train that, you know, essentially the train was the demon.
Exactly.
So anything's possible.
Anything's possible
in this show.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's jump into Season 2. Please do smash a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. We would really appreciate that. Also, do remember that we have our members program. If you would like to support the channel, hit that join button down below. To become a hero member, it's $5 a month. For that, you do get our cloud server with all of our full-length, unedited reactions, access to bloopers and all kinds of stuff. And there's quite a few bloopers. Somebody fluffs the lines. Somebody makes fun of my lack of hair. Anyway, yeah, so if you would like access to that, we really would appreciate any support that you could give us. Whether that's a like, whether that's a comment, whether you want to join the memberships.
Yeah.
We appreciate you all. So let's jump right in.
Let's get in it. Let's do it.
All right, here we go.
That was so awesome.
That was
awesome. I love that breathing fire. Oh. Woo. Oh.
Wow. Makes me wonder if it's a way back somehow.
Yeah, I wish there was.
Such a great character.
He was. Aww. Heart is broken so badly. He's lost so many people.
Yeah. We're gonna train now. That's right.
とは思えないくらい物腰も柔らかで。
血のつながりはなくとも
Kind and
親子
gentle
の
manner.
情は通うもの。私の後はあの子に継がせますよ。
羨ましいな。うちのバカ息子と取り替えてほしいく
え
らい。
よくできた子です、本当に。ただ皮膚の病にかかっていまして、昼間は外に出られないのです。
Skin disease.
かわいそうに。
today.
その特効薬もね、うちの会社
Maybe.
で作れたらと思っているんです。
That's why you
一日
can't
で
go
も早
outside
く。
during the day.
Yep. Yep.
Is he the offspring of a demon?
Ooh.
ご報告に参りました。
Right there's a demon.
無残。
What?
That's Muzan?
What?
例
No,
の
you
見つけたの
serious?
か。調べましたが確かな情報はなく、存在も確認できず。青い彼岸花は見つかりませんでした。
Wow.
What?
お前は得意げに柱を殺したと報告するが、あ
Wow.
の場にはまだ3人の鬼狩りがいた。なぜ始末してこなかった。わざわざ近くにいたお前を向かわせたというのに。赤さ。赤さ。赤さ。
Oh.
赤さ。
Oh God.
He is
Is he
fucking
dying?
には失望した。まさか柱でもない剣士から一撃を受けるとは。上限の3
Oh, it's from that sword?
だな。
No, you said that you suffered an injury from that sword. It wasn't even a
下が
Hashira.
れ。
Mm-hmm.
Well, because he hit him in the back. 'Cause he was
Right, as
running
he's
away.
running away. What?
They have no idea who he is.
No, that's crazy. Can you imagine having a kid like that? A split personality or something. Or maybe the parents will protect him and know exactly who he is. Oh. Oh.
There goes his sword.
覚えたぞ小僧。次会った時はお前の脳髄をぶちまけてやる。
Oh.
炭治郎、こっそりまんじゅうもらってきたから食おうぜ。
Oh.
No more snot, it's blood.
Yeah. Oh my God.
どうしたの？
Look at his eyes.
Wow.
Oh, he's taking off. Without him.
They said he was training. But maybe he is. Yeah, it looks like he's following
ありがと
Bro.
う。煉獄さんの意を組んで案内してくれている。
Oh, that's right. He gave him a message for his brother.
した才能もないのに剣士などなるからだ。だから死ぬんだ。
Wow.
くだらな
He's
い。
drunk.
愚かな息子だ、教授郎
How could you
は。
say that about your own kid?
人
Your
間
own
の
son.
能力は生まれた時から決まってる。才能のある者はごく一部。あとは有象無象。
Oh.
何の価値もないチリアクタだ。
Wow.
Wow.
教授郎もそうだ。大した才能はなかった。
No real
死
talent.
ぬに決まってるだろう。千次郎、
Oh.
葬式は終わったんだ。いつまでもしみったれた顔をするな。
ちょっと。
Wow.
あまりにもひどい言い方だ。
How did you do
そ
that?
んな風に言うのはやめてください。
Oh. What sunbeam? Haven't heard that one
素
before.
人の動きじゃないぞ。父上、やめてください。その人の顔を見てください。具合が悪いんですよ。
うるさい黙れ。
Oh.
いい加減に
What
し
an
ろ。
asshole.
人でなせ。
Yeah.
Sick, man.
さっきから一体何なんだあんたは。
Yeah,
命を落とした我が子を侮辱して殴って
exactly.
何がしたいんだ。
お前俺たちのことをバカにしているだろう。
どうしてそうなるんだ。何を言ってるのかわからない。
Wow.
言いがかりだ。
お前が火の呼吸の使い手だからだ。
Sun breathing.
その耳飾りを俺は知ってる。
All the earrings.
書いてあった。
火の呼吸ってもしかして火の神神楽のことなのか。
始まりの呼吸。一番初めに生まれた呼
The
吸。
best breathing technique ever.
Oh, ever
created.
created. The
そ
most
して全ての呼
powerful.
吸は火の呼吸の派生。すべての呼吸が火の呼吸の後追いに過ぎない。火の呼吸の猿真似をし劣化した呼吸だ。
煉獄さんを助けられるくらい強くなれる方法があったら。ずっと考えていました。だけどそんな都合のいい方法はない。近道なんてなかった。あがくしかない。今の自分ができる精一杯で前に進む。どんなに苦しくても悔しくても。
His dad might be able to teach him.
そ
Right.
して俺は
I'm sure he's read those
京次郎さんの
pages.
ような
Yes.
強い柱に
He's had to have.
必ず
Or
なり
maybe
ます。
his dad might train him. They might connect a little bit.
Well, that's what I said.
Oh, sorry. I thought you said something else. Sorry. I thought you meant him.
Oh, no, his dad.
兄に
Yeah.
は
Okay.
If he solved his
すぐ
own.
子がいませんでし
Yeah.
た。これを受け取ってください。兄の日輪刀の唾です。
Oh, God.
Sword God.
いただけません。こんな大切なもの。俺は持っていてほしいんです。きっとあなたを守ってくれます。
Aww.
So sweet.
Like his brother.
Yeah.
They must take it after the mother.
Yeah.
They didn't
definitely
take it
not the
after the dad.
ありがとう。大丈夫だ、禰豆子。もうすぐ蝶屋敷に着くから。
Oh, who's this? Shit.
The sword maker?
Oh. You lost your sword.
男子に値したら
Oh.
It's fine.
Oh shit. Stop, you fool.
I mean, that is two swords now.
鋼塚さんの
One
追跡は
broken, one
夜明
lost.
け近くまで続いたんだって。
Oh.
それで食欲ねえのか。
100 more to go.
煉獄さんの死から
Yeah, they are.
4ヶ月が過ぎようとしていた。
4 months.
俺たちは
Wow,
毎
look how
日
ripped they are.
Right?
Look at those ads.
カラスからの指令に従い、
Woo!
それぞれ鬼を倒しに行った。一人で行く任務の時も善逸はダダをこねなくなった。
He no longer
禰
truth.
豆子ちゃんの髪を一房くれ。頑張るから。伊之助は以前よりなおさらちょっとつ猛進に。
Aww.
俺が砕けるまで走り込みだ。
He's in love.
He is.
北北西山寺に潜伏している鬼を討伐せよ。
Oh.
北北西北
North
北
northwest.
西
Another demon.
Yeah.
He's had 4 months of training.
Hard training. it
Hard
looks like, as
training,
well.
man. He has some muscles.
Ooh. Ooh.
What is that?
I have a bad feeling about this.
Oh.
Oh.
There he comes. Oh, here comes Sister.
Damn.
Oh.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
Both of them together.
Yeah. Finally.
They're
Oh my
running.
God, look at him.
He's running.
He's running from them.
申し訳ないけど
なめるなよ。
No.
全集中
Oh.
水の呼吸
Oh. Got his leg.
打ちよ
Damn.
Oh, he got a sword.
He took him down quick.
Yes. Quick and fast.
That was like...
2 slices.
Yeah. It was almost as good as Rengoku on the train.
Yeah. Oh, here he goes.
Headbutt.
Ah. Oh.
He knew what he was trying to do.
愚か者。俺は元忍びの宇髄天元様だぞ。その界隈では派手に名を馳せた男。
葵さんの代わりに俺たちが行く。
俺たちだと？
Here we go. They're
Uh-oh.
gonna fight him, I think. All 3 of them.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, they are.
なんだてめえら。何が言いたい？
今帰ったところだが、俺は力が有り余ってる。
おう
いつやってもいいぜ。
葵ちゃんを離してもらおうか。たとえあんたが筋肉の化け物でも、俺は一歩も引かない。
で、
Oh.
どこ行くんだおっさん。
日本一色と欲にまみれたド派手な場所。
Super
Oh.
flashy place.
Alright.
鬼の住む遊郭だよ。
Oh.
Ah,
Wow.
that's cool.
That's crazy.
Wow.
Wow.
That's beautiful looking as well.
Uh-huh.
See.
いよいよ始まりやがったぜ。っていうか、お前たちで今回
あー
の
they're
任
up
務
to
本当に
it.
大丈夫なんだろうな。
Oh
俺
yeah.
はお前たちのことをよく知らねえ。ちょっとそこで自己紹介やってみろ。
じゃあ俺から。名はかまど炭治郎。好きなものはタラの芽。こっちは妹の禰豆子。好きなものは金平糖です。
Ah.
俺の名前は吾妻善逸。好きなものは甘いもの。
Sweet.
高級なうなぎなんかも。
そんなこと聞いてんじゃねえ。鬼と戦うにあたって何ができんだって聞いてんだ。遊郭に潜む鬼は強えぞ。
いやー、死んだくない死んだくないよ。
Oh my god.
死なねえように戦えばいいだろう。
強い鬼にも会いたくない。
Uh,
まだ禰豆子ちゃんと何もしてないのに。そん
he's
なの
going crazy again.
少し黙ってろ。
俺は橋平伊之助だ。俺の話が聞きたきゃ、俺を倒してからにするんだろ。
Jeez.
Wow.
何こいつ偉そうに言ってやがんだ。
なんだと。
今日はここで大将こそこそ噂話。俺の自己紹介を聞かせてやろう。俺は忍びの家系にいる。
Shinobi clan.
だから幼い頃は忍びとして影に隠れ地味に生きてきたんだ。
嘘だ。
嘘はよくねえぞ。
嘘じゃねえ。そん時の不満が爆発して今はこう派手になったわけだが、
Alright.
もともとその素質があったってことかもな。お前らも任務では派手な活躍を見せ
Flashy
んだぞ。
moves.
この人からは責任感の強い匂いがする。信頼できる人だ。
何ニヤニヤしてんのお前。次回第2話遊郭潜入。お前らちゃんと仕事すんだぞ。
Alright.
Cool.
Alright.
Those little secrets are fun.
Yeah, they are. Nice.
So, that was an interesting first episode
It
for
was.
season 2.
Yeah.
A little slow in spots, but I really enjoyed Tanjiro being with Rengoku's brother.
Yes.
That visiting his family, I think, was my favorite part.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Me too.
And along with him taking down that demon.
Yes. Yeah. He did it with 2 slices.
Yeah. He's
Too.
definitely
He was
getting
done.
Much better.
Right. Right.
So hopefully he'll be able to keep getting better, and
Mhm.
obviously he's probably going to come up against that one that killed Rengoku.
Yes.
So he's going to have to. He's
Mhm.
going to have to be better.
Right. Right.
So,
Yeah.
but fantastic first episode of season 2.
Yes.
We are super excited to get into this one, to get into the rest of it. Hopefully episode 2 is just as good. And let us know how you guys liked this episode in the comments down below. Please smash a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. We would really appreciate that.
Yes.
And we'll catch you later.
Crypto Crew.